In today's world, effective disinfection is crucial to the health and sanitation of every environment. Currently, healthcare-associated infections and the COVID-19 pandemic are two major health concerns. Several research articles emphasize that the conventional UVC light does not have the same germicidal effects on all types of pathogens. For these reasons, we developed an ultraviolet LED disinfection device called the Versatile, which implements our innovative UV light matrix. This matrix consists of a wide variety of wavelengths in the UV spectrum to increase the efficiency at which surfaces and air are disinfected from bacteria and viruses. The Versatile can be used in many different industries to help combat today's health issues. We would like to thank Chem-Free Solutions for sponsoring this project.
All light matrix includes 6 different wavelengths throughout the entire ultraviolet spectrum, as opposed to the usual single wavelength in most ultraviolet disinfection products. By combining these specific wavelengths, we are enhancing the germicidal reduction through exposure redundancy. Our matrix includes 16 ultraviolet LEDs, allowing a single Versatile to cover a larger surface area than most comparable compact devices. Finally, using the ultraviolet LEDs is more sustainable than ultraviolet lamps. LEDs are also more efficient. They can be turned on and off instantaneously and have the ability to use multiple wavelengths in one product. They also have longer lifespans than ultraviolet lamps, approximately between 10,000 and 25,000 operating hours.
Our electrical design is a multi-stage system with one microcontroller PCB and one LED PCB. The microcontroller PCB has all the input-output operations and logic controls and safety systems on it, and the LED PCB contains a combination of different wavelengths covering the full UV spectrum.
The Versatile device contains a 3-part housing with a casing, layer, and cover. Enclosed are one microcontroller PCB, one UV LED PCB, an on-off switch, and LED indicator light, and 3 buttons for 3 different settings. Additionally, the device contains safety features such as thermal and humidity cutoffs. The casing contains the support for all features of the tile as well as heat dissipation through vents on 2 sides. The layer structurally supports the UV light matrix's UV LED PCB and provides protection for the microcontroller PCB in the casing. The cover sits right on top of the UV LED PCB and layer, only exposing the UV LEDs. The cover screws onto the layer and casing, securing all components of the Versatile's enclosure. Because we want our product to be incredibly versatile and provide a great user experience, we designed it to have an easy mounting system using command strips. This design can be integrated into other systems depending on the use. For example, in personal sterilizing boxes, for at-home uses, for cart cleaning at grocery stores, for high-touch devices in hotels, and HVAC systems in airlines and cruises. We use Synopsys Light Tools software to simulate the irradiance of each UV LED. Our team used an ocean optic spectrometer to test the output wavelength and intensity of each LED in our light matrix. This is important for verifying the peak wavelength of each LED. In addition to test verification, the spectrometer will be used in the quality assurance of our products.
Our team participated in the 3-to-1 Food Fest in Melbourne, Florida to gain valuable customer feedback. We prepared surveys and directed people to our website and the crowdfunding page for our product.
As we complete the prototype, the next step is the mass production of the Versatile, in which every unit would take $225 to produce. Based on our business model, we are expecting to launch the UV device to market with a retail price of $375. The graph shows the cost calculated at the point at which the revenue will equal the fixed and variable cost.
In the future, we would like to complete the biological testing for our UV light matrix.
Currently, we are developing a more advanced version of the Versatile. Additionally, it has sophisticated LED indication lights to communicate with the user. The advanced prototype design is modular and easy to attach multiple times for system expansion.